So hey guys, the foldable phone market is heating up with the constant release of flip and fold phones, some of which are being introduced for the first time. Looks like 2023 will be the year for large clamshell foldable phones with external display. And speaking of flips, the Oppo Find N2 Flip was a hit and Oppo is now gearing up to dazzle us once more with the Find N Flip 3. It looks like we are getting our first look at the Oppo Find N3 Flip, and while the new render of the phone looks quite similar to its predecessor, there are some notable differences, mainly the addition of another rear camera. You might be wondering if it's too soon to be talking about the Find N3 Flip, but actually the Find N2 Flip first hit the market in China near end of 2022 before being released globally in February 2023. The news come from 91 Mobile sharing a single render image of the upcoming device. The website claims that the render is based on a prototype that is a part of an engineering validation test. From what we can see, the shape looks nearly identical to the current model except for the aforementioned third camera module. Why would companies stick to the same old design if it worked for them before? I know it is a common practice among big brands, but we need something new and exciting. Even a small design tweaks can make a big difference. Anyways, let's talk about the cameras. Apparently, the new Find N3 Flip will be equipped with a new camera setup that's based on the Oppo Reno 10 Pro's latest release. According to a source, this means that the device will feature a 50 megapixel primary snapper, a 32 megapixel telephoto lens and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens. Regarding other specifications, the website seems to be a bit more unclear, but says that it could have similar specification to the Find N2 Flip. With that said, there is not a lot to get excited about here, especially considering what we have seen from the Motorola Razr Plus. Of course, this is just one render and there could be changes made in future, so we could see an entirely different design by the times it released. Unfortunately, as of now we don't know when it's coming, but there is a pretty good chance that it could arrive later this year. So what do you think about this Oppo Find N Flip 3? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.